Claire Osborne, a mother of 6 in Coventry, UK, felt a bit of a tickle at the back of her throat, which ultimately led to a coughing fit so intense it could have slowed time. It turns out the culprit was an inch-long, heart-shaped chunk of flesh, which eventually came shooting out Claire's yapper and spattered into the sink like a mouthful of steak. The woman retrieved her bouncing baby tumor and took it immediately to a doctor who, after a biopsy, determined that it was a highly aggressive form of mouth cancer. Claire was prepared for a scorching round of chemo and was only given a 50-50 shot at staying alive until the test came back. Negative! She had literally coughed up her cancer, the entire thing. So, next time you discover a lump somewhere, just grab a butter knife and pop it right out. I hear that's what Suzanne Summers does, and she's a doctor now, right?
Oh.